Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have seen videos on social media about an incident where it is said that a man attacked a comedian who goes by the name of Dave Chappelle while he was performing on stage somewhere out there in the world. Now, I got information that a man who goes by the last name of Lee attacked the comedian who goes by the name of Dave Chappelle while he was on stage performing at the Hollywood Bowl in Los Angeles, United States of America on Tuesday, the 3rd of April, year 2022. It is said that the Los Angeles Police Department confirmed the incident. And it is said that the police said that the man who goes by the last name of Lee was armed with a replica gun that could eject a real knife blade when discharged correctly. It was unclear if the man made an attempt to use the weapon, viewers and subscribers. However, it is said that the man who goes by the name of Lee is believed to be in his 20s. According to more than one news articles that I read, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that at least one of those news articles said that the police said that Lee has been charged with felony assault with a deadly weapon. And an LAPD spokesperson said that Lee's bail is set at $30,000. I assume that's United States of America currency. See, it is said that Lee was in the audience when somehow Lee jumped on stage or got on stage and attacked Chappelle. Some persons might call that attack a tackle. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? Because I saw the video as well, you see? And it is said that Chappelle was attacked just as he was about to leave. See, it is said that the comedian was performing during the 4th night of the David Chappelle and Friends show, which was part of the Netflix Is a Joke Festival. It is said that security guards hired for the show intervened and pulled the suspect off Chappelle. It is said that the police said that Lee was detained and he had sustained injuries, and it is said that he had been taken to a hospital. Now, in one of those videos that are circulating on social media about the whole situation where it is said that someone attacked Dave Chappelle while he was performing on stage, the comedian who goes by the name of Chris Rock said some things in the video that gave me the understanding that he went on stage and mentioned Will Smith's name in a sentence or a question. Now, viewers and subscribers, I didn't clearly hear every single words that he said because there was some noise in the video, but it sounds as if he asked, was that Will Smith or is that Will Smith in the video that I saw and listened to? All right. Anyways, just to make you know what I go on, viewers and subscribers, as I say, yes, so I hope that this video was somewhat informative. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. I want to big up on yourself, you see.